Main Power Electric Company Limited specializes in the design and manufacturing of transformers, current transformers, choke conductors, air coils, and filters. We are certified to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standards, and all our products and materials comply with UL, RoHS, and the latest REACH requirements. To better support our customers with product design and certification, we have established a UL-approved current transformer laboratory, along with a testing platform for EI transformer load testing. Our products are also eligible for 3C certification, with over 38 years of OEM and ODM experience. Our expert engineering team provides customized solutions to tackle technical challenges, including EMC, EMI, harmonics, and more. Our responsive sales team offers prompt and professional support, and our flexible production schedule ensures fast turnaround for both sample and mass orders. We continuously invest in upgrading our facilities, from automatic winding machines and inserting equipment to welding systems and integrated testers. A systematic production process, thorough quality control, and special tooling allow us to satisfy the requirements and gain customer trust. Our products are used by customers in a variety of industries, including well-recognized brands worldwide. We continue to improve our processes to meet changing market needs and customer requirements. At Main Power, we're here to solve your problem with expertise, efficiency, and integrity. We look forward to working with you and becoming your trusted partner.